National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 75, active until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parishes: Louisiana, Boonville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties: Texas, Cass, Harrison, Marion, and Panola. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 75 has issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes: in Louisiana, Boonville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties: in Texas, Cass, Harrison, Marion, and Panola.